Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day out there today, y'all. I'm feeling good today. I have a package from a special company that's not only decided to look out for me today, but we have decided to do a giveaway. Yes, it has been a while since I did a giveaway on the channel, and huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video and the people that sent over this package, because without them, this video and this giveaway would not be possible. Now I'm super excited to bring this giveaway to you guys because it has been a while since I did a giveaway, and this giveaway isn't a normal giveaway. We're giving away 500 of them things. $500 giveaway, super simple, super easy, but let's talk about it a little bit later in the video because at first I have to unbox some things that were sent over. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you are new. I'm trying my best to get out content just about every day. On top of that, you can always be ahead of the curve on getting it in giveaways like this because it's been a while since we did a giveaway, but I got a lot more coming, and I do mean a lot more. Just wait, a lot more giveaways coming. We almost at 70K, and I have to show appreciation to y'all for that. So the giveaways will be coming back to back. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if you're new. Here we have the package in today from Cote. Now, a lot of people might not know what Cote is, but they are a clothing brand out there in Los Angeles. It seems like everybody's out there in California. You know, I have not been to Cali yet, but when I do, I got a lot of stops to make because I've built so many relationships out there with people, brands. I'm just truly appreciative of, hey, just rocking with the channel, man, and showing love. Now, Cote is a clothing company that's very minimalistic and simplistic, and it's very key to the way I dress because if y'all follow me on Instagram or Twitter, I don't really do too much. I've never really been one of those guys that do like a whole bunch. I'm very simple, you know, a nice here, a nice there, you know what I'm saying? Put it together very well. That's just my style. And I thought that, you know, looking at the clothing and the pieces that they have over there, it'll fit my style quite nice. So let's unbox this package because I don't have any idea what they sent over. I did send them my sizes, but still though, this should be pretty good. And I'm gonna also tell you guys about the giveaway that we plan to do with some clothing as well. So let me see what we got in the box. Okay, first off, we're gonna grab whatever from first. First off, we got the hat. Now listen, before, I would say like last week, I've never really was into hats like that, to be honest. But my trip to Kentucky, if you follow me on Instagram, then you will know I was in the middle of nowhere, Kentucky. And on that trip, I wore a hat the whole time. I like the way the hat looked on me, you know? I'm a waver, so I brush my hair a lot. I wear the do-rag a lot. I got the waves popping, so I normally don't wear hats as much. But it's really only because I never really gave them a chance. After wearing hats, I'm giving them a chance, so I will be throwing this in the rotation. I don't have many hats, but I will be throwing this one in the rotation. It says just Cote right there on the front. Y'all see that? Just like a quick, nice little label and hat. Next up in the box, I'm gonna just grab whatever. What is this? It looked like some short. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. Whatever this is coming in is pretty nice material, bro. This is not just like the regular packaging that you just snatch open. They got like the zipper up top that you just zip open and pull out. So that's, hey, A+ on the packaging. I'm not gonna cap. Small things like that impress me. So we open these up. Oh, we got like the cargo shorts. We got a pair of cargo shorts, but they're not the regular cargo shorts, guys. I am a huge fan of these cargo shorts because these are the cargo shorts with the front pockets. Okay, I love these. Let me get this box a little bit more out the way. The camo or the cargo shorts with the front pocket. So we got a pocket here, we also have a pocket here, and the material feels very good as well, man. It's a zipper pocket here on the bottom, and we also have more of the Velcro straps on the pockets here. But all in all, I really like the look. You can really pretty much wear anything with this. Like I said, very simplistic, very minimalistic. I like it a lot, but more of the style. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people are not really into cargo shorts like that, but it's more of the style of cargo shorts for me. And I love the style with the front pockets. I don't own any, so I'm happy to put a pair of those in the rotation. Next in here, we also have, what's this one? It's a black colorway. Hopefully it's the same thing, and it is. So it's another pair identical to the tan one. It's a black colorway. Once again, I'm super grateful for that because I don't have any black shorts at all, okay? None whatsoever. I got a green pair, like the army green pair. I got like a gray pair, but I have none in this tan and I have none in this black. And I'm thankful because they're both styled the same way I like it with the front pockets. Huge thanks to you guys for that. I appreciate it. And like I said, the quality on these is very smooth. I almost feel like swim trunks. It's very breathable. It's like a heavy, bro, this let me be honest with y'all. I bring a lot of clothing to you guys just as much as shoes. But when it comes to the material of this clothing, Leon Cote, I'm telling y'all, the material, I'm blown away by the material. This is not your regular Gildan Hanes t-shirt. This feels amazing. It's a medium. It looks like maybe a little oversized, like an oversized tee. It definitely has like that wash gray look to it, where you see like a little bit of gray, a little bit of black, a little bit of ashiness to it. Of course, it's purposeful, but again, another simplistic piece. I will be probably putting that together with something as well. We also have more stuff in here, man. I'm excited to see what's left in. All in all, through the material, the packaging, I mean, bro, this is amazing, man. I'm not gonna lie. We get another oversized tee with amazing material. This one is a white tee. Yeah, it's all white. All white oversized tee. Like I said again, very minimalistic. Also inside we have, see here, this is a large. I wonder what this is. Is it a hoodie or something? Okay, it's another oversized tee, but this one is in a large. So the first one's in a medium. This one is more like a cream. So this one is like a cream oversized tee. This one is a white oversized tee, and then you have the black one. Keep in mind, all of these do have the Leon Cote logo down here at the bottom of the tee, and this metal, with this metal piece right here. Nice little piece. So here we got one more. I think this is a large oversized tee in the black as well. So yeah, this is like straight black. So we got straight black, okay, cream, straight white, and then we got the vintage wash black on top of both pair of shorts, both set of the cargo shorts, which is, man, I'm more than thankful. Also in the box, I think it's a card in here if I'm not mistaken, some stickers as well. Okay, so basically they're giving you tips and details on how to wash and keep up with the clothes that they sent over, which is dope, because like I said, this material isn't the regular material you'll get on just about all your other clothes. So I appreciate you guys sending over this guide to be able to talk to me about how to keep this up, because I don't want to damage any of the quality you have on here. They also have a code you can use, but I also have a code you can use. So down below, of course, is a link to Leon Cote. You guys can head over there right now if you've seen anything from the video, or if you're more interested in finding some other things that they might have available, head over there, use my discount code SNIPER20 to get 20% off anything over on the website. Now to the fun part, guys. I told you I will be doing a giveaway with Leon Cote, and this giveaway is for $500. You heard me right. The giveaway winner will earn $500. So guys, these are the rules. They're very simple and very dope and engaging at the same time. Rule number one, of course, you have to follow Leon Cote over on IG. Also, you have to follow me on Instagram as well. Rule number two, which is a very important rule, and I need you guys to listen up to me very well. You have to have at least one purchase from the latest collection that will be live at the time of this video. You have to have at least one piece of clothing on in the pic. So take a picture. You have to have at least one piece of clothing on from the latest drop in your picture and have proof of purchase. Rule number three is the fun part, man. Since all y'all talk about your boy can't dress, and some of y'all say I can dress, now it's time to see if y'all can really dress. With that one piece of clothing with proof of purchase, all you gotta do is take a pic on IG. Make it fly, you know what I'm saying? Get that, whatever piece you get or pieces, make it fly. Once you post that pic, of course, you have to tag Leon Cote USA and then use the hashtag Leon Cote. And the last thing you have to do is just tag an influencer. Y'all can just tag me if you want to, it's all good. So those are the very, very simple rules, guys. Follow me on Instagram, follow Leon Cote. Make sure you buy at least one piece from the collection. You can find a link down below. Once you get at least one piece, you can put it together with a fly fit, tag them in the post, use hashtag Leon Cote, and of course, tag an influencer. Now guys, since y'all have to go and buy just one piece of anything from the website, the best thing to do is just use my discount code SNIPER20. That's gonna be linked down below in the description, just to help you out with whatever you purchase. Now just a hint, because they will be looking over these once you use the hashtags and once you tag them. I'm thinking the best creative person will win. You know what I'm saying? The most creative pick will definitely win, in my opinion. I'm excited to see what y'all tag me in as well. Now, as far as payment, you at least have to have either PayPal or Cash App to receive payment if you're a winner. So if you're participating, at least make sure you have active PayPal or active Cash App, because that's how they're paying the winner. Good luck to everybody, man. I'm super excited to do this giveaway. $500. Hey, look, that's at least 2 pairs of GRs, or that's at least a lot of chunk of change off a resale sneaker. Regardless, man, I'm excited. Can't wait to see it. I will catch up with you guys in the next one. It is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.